Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and today I'm going to be talking with you guys about the best USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter for the Realme X3 smartphone. So this is my Realme X3 smartphone and I've been using this smartphone as my daily driver for over 40 days now, and I've made so many videos about this smartphone. In my previous video, I've actually mentioned that I'm using the OnePlus's 3.5mm adapter for the wired earphones on the Realme X3 smartphone. So this does not come with the headphone jack, as you guys might be knowing, and the OnePlus adapter actually has served me well. One thing that is actually a problem with this OnePlus adapter is that availability of this product in stock. This product is rarely available in stock. If it is available on the OnePlus site, please go ahead and buy it. But I actually bought this product not from the OnePlus store. I actually had a previous Type-C to 3.5mm adapter that I had actually brought from the OnePlus site. But this one, I actually brought it from the Tata Click store. I'll be giving the links in the description. It will be coming back in stock once in a while. Now let's go ahead and check this product out. There is nothing inside the box except this OnePlus Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. Nothing else, no paperwork or no other bullshit information. This is the very small and very tiny 3.5mm to Type-C adapter. Before we go ahead and use the wired earphones on the Realme X3 device, one thing that I actually want to tell is, no matter how good the Bluetooth earphones become, no matter how good their connectivity may be, no matter how good their latency might be, it can never match the quality of audio and the lower latency levels that a wired earphone actually offers. So that's why I actually prefer wired earphones over the wireless counterparts for any sorts of scenario. It may be longer duration of gaming, it may be longer duration of audio playback. I actually prefer the wired earphones above the Bluetooth earphones. Now let us go ahead and connect this one to our Realme X3 smartphone. So as you can see, just after I actually connected my earphones, it actually showed that earphone symbol on the top of the status bar over there. That means the earphones has been successfully connected. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be checking out in 4 different scenarios. First is whether this actually supports the Dolby Atmos in the settings. Let me go to the settings over here, and in the settings there is something called sound and vibration, and there in the global sound there is an option called Dolby Atmos. As you can see, the Dolby Atmos option is present and you can configure Dolby Atmos for your preference. Generally I keep it to music and I set all the equalizers to high, and Dolby Atmos is supported. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and check out a simple music video right from YouTube Music. And once the sound is properly coming from the right ear tip and the left ear tip, we can judge that this is working properly for the music scenarios. So the music playback on this device is absolutely perfect on the Realme X3 by using the wired earphones. So the next test that I'll be doing is to go ahead and check out the PUBG Mobile gameplay, and I actually will show you in the training room whether the sound will be properly coming from the right or the left side. Now let's go to the training room and let's check whether the sound is coming from right earphones or left earphones, guys. Okay, I'm getting sound from my right, so some person is going on the right. Yep. So I've picked up a Groza to just check whether the sound is coming properly or not. Coming from left. Reference to this guy. Now it should come from my right side. So guys, the sound in PUBG is also coming perfectly from my left and right earphones. I've actually checked in different scenarios and this is working perfectly fine. So I actually checked with PUBG Mobile and I also checked with the calls by using the wired earphones and connecting the wired earphones to the OnePlus USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. And this is working perfectly fine in the 4th test too. So as I said, the Dolby Atmos is supported. Normal music is audible properly. The normal music quality is very good, and it depends on how is the quality of the earphones you use as well. And if you're using a very high quality earphones, you can obviously drive that high quality audio using the Realme X3 and connecting this USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. This is a very small adapter, guys, so there are chances that if you misplace it somewhere, you can't actually find it back, because this is such a small adapter and you have to keep it carefully. And also it is actually a very thin and a very light quality material. I don't know whether it will break or whether it is brittle in the inside or something. Overall, in terms of sound quality, in terms of compatibility for PUBG and also for calls, this is a very good USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.